Go.
Yeah!
Prizes. Alright. Go.
Go. The wheels on the Mexican go up and down, up and down, up and down. The wheels on the Mexican go up and down, all through the town. The cops pull us over because we're brown, because we're brown, because we're brown. No. The cops pull us over because we're brown, all through the town. The cops have caught us, so we're going to jail, going to jail, going to jail. The cops have caught us, so we're going to jail, all through the town. We're getting deported to Mexico, Mexico, Mexico. We're getting deported to Mexico, all through the town.
Is that it?
Yeah.
That was hilarious. Take a bow.
No! No! Why? My precious. Why? Why did it have to end like this?